warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. I will check first the members. Laili Nisa Putri.
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Rian Setiawan. Halo, Rian Setiawan. Oke, Fernanda Diandini. Anissa Zulfanika.
Listen, ma'am.
Who else not come here? Is there?
Regina and Safira.
Okay, now we will open our class by reciting basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. Today we will learn about narrative text. Continue the material last week. I will share the material. A moment. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, today we will learn about narrative text. The first, we will talk about definition and purpose. The second is kinds of narrative text. The third is the characteristic of narrative text. And then next, there is generic of structure. And last is example. Okay. Okay, now who knows the definition on the purpose of narrative text? Fernanda, do you know what is narrative text? A simple
Just a little.
understanding about the narrative text.
Cerita rakyat, ma'am.
Okay, Laili, good. Cerita rakyat. Fernanda?
Yes, I'm with Laili.
Okay. Like this. The definition and purpose of narrative text. Narrative text is a type of text in English to tell a story that has a chronological sequence of events that are interconnected. The purpose of this text is to entertain the reader about a story or story. Okay. Next. Characteristic. The characteristics of narrative text. Using action verbs in the form of past tense. And then using a specific noun as a pronoun. Using the adjective to form noun phrase. Use the conjunction to short events. Okay. Now, and then kinds of narrative text. Narrative text can be imaginary or factual. Here is an example of genre from narrative text. There is a fairy tale, mystery, science fiction, romance, horror, fable, myth and legend, story, slice of life, personal experience, and etc. And then there is generic structure. Narrative text structure. The structure of the narrative text focus on a series of stages that are proposed to build a text on their own in general. There are 4 stages in narrative text, namely, 1 is orientation or preliminary or like opening, and then complication, climax or problem, and then next there is resolution or end of story or solution of the problem, and then there is reorientation as like closing. In their closing contains moral lesson, suggestion, or teaching for the author. Okay, now example. This story about Cinderella. Once upon a time, there lived a girl named Cinderella. She lived with her stepmother and 2 stepsisters. The stepmother and her 2 daughters didn't like Cinderella. They treated Cinderella very bad. Cinderella usually did the hardest work in the house, such as scrubbing the floor, cleaning the pot and pan, and preparing the food for the family, and so on. One day, a ball was to be held by the royal family of the kingdom to find the princess' spouse. Cinderella wanted to go to the ball, but her stepmother asked her to stay at home and do the housework. Cinderella cried. Then there was a very good mother standing beside her. Okay, now I will ask to all members here from the story, which one the characteristic, generic structure, or kinds of this story can say if this is narrative text. Who can answer it? Laili? Zulfanika, maybe?
Sorry, ma'am. I cannot
Yes.
hear you. Please repeat your
Okay.
question.
Okay, Laili. Like this. From this example, which one we can say if this story is can say if this is narrative text.
There is a sentence once upon a time.
And then
And there live
another.
a girl named. Nah, itu live-nya itu kan verb 3. Jadinya narrative text kan using verb 3.
Okay, good. Maybe
Thank
another. Thank you, Laili. Good. Zulfanika, maybe you can give the other example. Which one or what kind this example, namely about maybe kinds of this text, legend or what is there. Okay, welcome Regina. Okay. Okay. This story that's can say if this is as like legend, yeah, legend or fairy tale. It's like that. So the answer from Laili, that's good. There is once upon a time, that's a characteristic, and use verb 2 actually, yeah, Laili, not verb 3. And then
Oh yes, sorry.
yeah, never mind. Okay. The next, there is assignment for you all. This individual assignment, guys. Please look for some example about narrative text, handwriting, and scanning on PDF. From the text, please analyze it. Ya, jadi nanti kalian cari contoh dari teks naratif. Nanti habis itu dianalisis dari jenisnya apa, terus jenis strukturnya itu apa. Nanti and you can submit it in my desk. Okay, any question for today?
No, it's very clear.
Okay,
No,
good.
ma'am.
I think that's enough for our class today. I hope this lesson will benefit for us. And let's close our class by reciting hamdalah together.
Alhamdulillahirabbil
Okay, see you next time. Thank you for your coming in this class. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Welcome, guys. See you and take a rest. Good night.